I gave him your name.
Okay, I can take the numbers off the phone if you don't mind.
Yeah, no, you're gonna take this with you guys.
No, I was
You all set.
All set?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty quick.
Yeah. Hopefully painless too.
Yeah. Morning.
Doesn't matter. I appreciate it. You may feel a little bit sore, a little bit sour, and after that.
The UAW and Ford believe that keeping our employees healthy is important, so we determined that offering a voluntary on-site clinic here at the plant would be one way that we could offer this to our employees. For salaried and hourly employees who want to receive the vaccine, they can go to our internal website and they can select their location and time that's preferable to them. We have a long history of supporting the community. As you recall, last year we pivoted quickly and started producing face masks, ventilators, respirators, and hospital gowns for our community. So keeping our employees healthy also helps keep our communities healthy, to which we live and work in.